Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a vlog. I got a new bike, I got a new car, I had 2 new cars since the last one. But anyways, we're gonna throw on a seat cover today. We got some goodies from Thrill Seekers today. Let's open her up. Ooh, she's looking good. I went with cheetah print, the white ribs, and the black sides. We're gonna see how she looks. Come with 2 stickers. Well, install done. 20 TC125, and I threw on my little tiny chode from my 150 on there. I don't know if you guys ever seen that, but if you follow me on Instagram, that's what's on there. But yeah, this is her, and seat cover is already pretty darn good, but I like it to look a little bit different. This whole bike's going to look a little bit different, so if you would like me to do a review on this bike specifically, it's pretty much stock, and that thing's just loud, but yeah, besides that, it's completely stock. If you would like me to do a review on it, just let me know. To take off the seat cover, you just have to like stick your fingers in here and rip really hard to take the airbox cover off, and then it just is one bolt behind here. So you're gonna want to have is your seat cover, and a staple gun. First part I like to start off with is the front. I don't know also what you would start off with. I'm getting it like perfectly centered. Just pop a staple right in the middle once you find out the center spot. So once you have a staple in the front, exactly where you know where your middle is going to be, I like to take it all the way to the back here. Make sure it's like taut in the middle here. Find it like perfectly in the center back here. You got your back stapled, you got your front stapled, you got this pretty taut here in the middle. You just, I like to do is pull it tight, make sure everything's kind of even, and get one side in. You see the shape coming in here, and then basically it's just stapling all around it, making everything's tight, making sure everything's even. All right. Seat cover is put together, stapled in. All we have to do is trim a little bit of the excess stuff, and she should be ready to mount. Pretty much what you want to do is just take all the stuff that's going to be in the way, like this is going to be in the way of my bolt hole. This is gonna be in the way of the sliding hole into this little piece of fabric here. I don't really know if it is, but and just might be in the way just to get me irritated. So all right, time to throw it on the bike. Alright guys, it's the next day. We're actually gonna go test out the seat cover over at Bud's Creek. Threw in a new fresh air filter, already cleaned, ready to go. We're gonna go to Bud's today, see how this thing holds up, if it can stick to my bike. Some of you may wonder why I put this over top of the stock seat cover. I do that pretty much on all my bikes. Mostly because if this ever rips or anything, then I can just take it off and I have seat cover underneath it. That's pretty much why. It doesn't really affect it at all, especially the Husky one, because it doesn't have any like badges or anything across here. The only thing it has is like, I don't know if you can see this on the line, for like your knee pads. But that's it.
A little bit windy, but we pretty much have Bud's Creek to ourselves. Just one person, one lonesome person.
All right, a nice little day of riding, and I'm gonna clean the bike off tomorrow. Seat cover works really good, actually. Kept me planted. Probably better than the stock seat cover for me personally. Stock seat cover is actually extremely grippy, but yeah, good day of riding. Seat cover held up great. No rips, no tears or anything in her. Just some mud. Gonna clean her up. Get ready for next time. If you guys want me to do a riding video of like maybe some GoPro and some other shots, let me know. Other than that, peace out.